Me say no afraid fi talk it truth. So before I post this video, I must warn you that it has a lot of laughing in it, and it has a lot of cursing as well. So if you're one of those people that don't want to hear curse words, please don't watch the video and then come in the comment section and talk about why you use so much BBC and RC. No afraid fi talk it truth. No mascot and no pankuta. No batman in our thing. Bomba clot. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. No mascot and no pankuta. No lesbian in our thing. Bomba clot. Hallelujah. Shalawa shasha. Bomba clot. Those a bomba clot said Jesus. You must say your blood clot this and your blood clot that. You say praise the Lord. And when you has praise as your lifestyle, when things go wrong, you're not going to say nothing clot. You're not going to say blood clot. When things go wrong, you're going to say praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. When somebody irritates you, you must say your blood clot this and your blood clot that. You say praise the Lord. And when you praise as your lifestyle, when things go wrong, when somebody irritates you, you must say your blood clot this and your blood clot that. You say praise the Lord. And when you has praise as your lifestyle, when things go wrong, you're not going to say nothing clot. You're not going to say blood clot. When things go wrong, you're going to say praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. When somebody irritates you, you must say your blood clot this and your blood clot that. You say praise the Lord. That woman there, you see, I bet your money that that woman does not have a man at her house, and if she does, I bet say she wear the pants in the house. Meaning say, is a whole heap of blood clot that man here in the house when him the home. Trust me, it's not all the time she say praise the Lord, because for her blood clot come out too good. You understand? At one point she said, when somebody irritates you, you're not gonna say, and she actually said, when somebody irritates you, you say blood clot. You see, so even in her preaching, but me want to know though, I'm gonna be honest, right? So that was appropriate for the pulpit? Was that appropriate for the pulpit? You know, so one time I was growing up, right? I go to church. Them say, listen, a woman according to the Bible is not supposed to be up there prophesying and preaching, right? And even if and then something about covering the head in the house of the Lord and all that. Them women nowadays, them put on them big wig, them say a different time, a new styling, and them coming at the church all kind of way, however them feel like it, and them say what them want to say, to include getting up on the pulpit, grab the microphone, preaching, and talking about blood clot. You're not gonna say blood clot. No, we have a big joke. Yo, Jamaican people, I swear to God, man, you are the best. You are the friggin' best. I don't care which part of the world I go, right? Ain't no people like my people. Because we just take, it's like every moment of our life is a viral moment. You can't tell me, say, she no remind you. Me have an auntie, you know. I'm going to tell you about my aunt, right? My aunt take the bus and she going to church, right? And end up never make it to church. She make it to the police station. Now she big and chopping, you know. She have her Bible, she jump on the bus. New York, she there, she go to church. A lady provoke her on the bus. She put down her Bible and she beat the daylights out of the lady and end up go to the police station instead of going to church. So we were saying now, then where was the Lord and all that? You couldn't call on the Lord and tell the Lord for, you know, keep by your temper and them kind of something that keep you calm in the presence of the Lord, let the Lord do his thing. She said, no, there's a time for peace and a time for war. And that time was time for blood clot war. She fuck up the lady in her bus. And I said there, yo, people me gone here. Gonna enjoy the video clip and leave your comments in the comment section below. Just have a laugh today. I remember say laughing is good medicine for the soul. Alright? Every moment of our life come in like a viral moment. I'm out. Peace.